Welcome to this tutorial. How to know which games my computer can run. If you run a high-end game on your PC without knowing the specification of your computer, then the possibility can be that a game may not run smoothly or create a slow Windows performance. Let's see the steps to know which games my computer can run. Open your web browser. Type a name of the game along with the system requirements term in the search bar that you want to run on your computer. For demo purposes, here I am typing the search term "We Are Football System Requirements" and have pressed the Enter key on my keyboard. I am going to click on the We Are Football link to know the required system specification for this game. Note down the minimum system requirements and recommended requirements. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom. From the drop-down menu list, click on Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab. You can now check the information about your CPU, memory, and disk 0. The system configuration should match the required specification of a game to run. Close the opened windows. Open File Explorer. Select the C drive from the left panel and right-click on it. From the drop-down menu list, click on Properties. Check the available free space on your C drive. You should have a good space to install and run a game. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.